Ever wondered what the future of smartphones looks like? Well, it's already here with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. This marvel of technology is a game-changer, showcasing a revolutionary design that transitions from a petite phone into a spacious tablet. Imagine having the best of both worlds in the palm of your hand. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 stands at the pinnacle of technological innovation, redefining the boundaries of what a smartphone can offer. This device represents a new era in smartphone technology, offering a unique blend of convenience and style. At the heart of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 lies a powerhouse of specifications. This marvel of technology is powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, delivering lightning-fast speeds and unparalleled performance. Whether you're multitasking or playing graphics-intensive games, this device handles it all with extraordinary agility and precision. Now let's talk about the camera system. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is equipped with a versatile triple-camera setup, offering stunning photo and video quality. Capture your world in vibrant detail, enjoy ultra-wide shots or zoom in close with the telephoto lens. This camera system truly leaves no room for compromise. And let's not forget the robust build of this device. With its sleek design, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 features an armor aluminum frame and a protective Gorilla Glass Victus, the toughest glass on a smartphone. It's not just about looking good, it's about withstanding the rigors of everyday use. These specifications are not just numbers, they translate to a seamless, high-performing user experience. What truly sets the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 apart is its remarkable user experience. This next-generation device offers an intuitive user interface that is as responsive as it is user-friendly. It's a breeze to navigate, with customizable settings that allow you to tailor your smartphone experience to your unique needs and preferences. The advanced technology of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 further enhances the user experience. It's designed to facilitate seamless multitasking, allowing you to run multiple apps simultaneously without any lag. This is a real game-changer for those of you who love to stay connected and productive on the go. And speaking of productivity, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a suite of productivity tools designed to help you get more done in less time. Whether you're drafting an email, editing a document, or organizing your schedule, this device has got you covered. With its user-friendly features, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is not just a smartphone, it's a productivity powerhouse. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a testament to Samsung's relentless pursuit of innovation. This groundbreaking device is the embodiment of Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in smartphone technology. It's not just about creating another smartphone, it's about redefining how we interact with our devices and the world around us. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a marvel of engineering, combining cutting-edge design with powerful functionality. Its stunning foldable display transitions smoothly from a compact phone to a spacious tablet, offering a new dimension in multitasking and productivity. This isn't just a step forward, it's a leap into the future. Its advanced camera system, lightning-fast processing capabilities and sleek, durable build are all evidence of Samsung's commitment to innovation. Each feature is meticulously designed and crafted to enhance the user experience, making the Galaxy Z Fold 5 more than just a smartphone. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is more than just a smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is indeed a game-changer in the world of smartphones. The ingenuity of the foldable design, transitioning from a compact phone to a spacious tablet, is an embodiment of the next level of smartphone technology. It's a device that doesn't just keep up with your pace, but sets the pace. We've highlighted the powerful specifications that drive this device, from its lightning-fast processing capabilities to its advanced camera system. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is not just about power, but it's also about an immersive experience, thanks to its sleek, durable build that's crafted for convenience and style. This device is not merely a testament to Samsung's relentless pursuit of innovation, but it's a statement. A statement that screams the brand's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the smartphone industry. The intuitive user interface, the cutting-edge technology, and the overall user experience, it's all part of a package that's designed to redefine your expectations. We've explored the various aspects that make the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 a true game-changer. But the real magic lies in experiencing it yourself. It's a window into the future of mobile devices, offering a glimpse of what's next in the realm of connectivity and possibilities. So, are you ready to step into the future with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5? Embrace a new era of connectivity and possibilities with this revolutionary device.